to somebody or understand somebody, whatever they say, and to give replies. Not for replies. Make somebody to understand so that you let them understand you too. That is possible only when you understand that we need to be polite, in the sense that you have to talk to each other and understand that I mean business and you mean business. You always get mixed up with businessman and business. We are in the business to continue. The businessman is interested only in the temporary benefits. I don't want this kind of workshop to take place just to discuss on TPA or on insurance. The discussion should be how we both partners are going to be there in the business forever. That should be the topic that you need to have in our. Then will you know? Because today the world recognizes the concept called synergy. The whole world thinks nobody can have full strength to be successful in anything that I am doing it. One wants to achieve something and accomplish something, he has to be dependent. I do not agree to the fact that an individual can be successful and any individual organization can be successful as an independent organization. Every organization or individual has to be dependent on the team. The team here consists of insurers and representative of TPS who extend the facility to the insurers to enable the customer to understand that this is an insurance company which has got not image, but it's got purpose. The purpose is give the best services to the client and remain in the market and carry forward. In fact, I was talking to one of the teachers yesterday. Why not we stop reinvestment? If you want to talk about something called yield from this account, why not we stop reinvestment facility going for PPL? This is an account which is growing at a higher percentage, 40 to 45%. Today, if you take all POC companies, almost 45 to 65% of premium is coming from health and motor. We are saying that we are going at 20%, 25%. But the very concept of bringing liberalization in the market, the very thinking of Government of India, and also the focus and attention all over the world that these Indian insurers have got immense potential. When you go abroad, you will understand. Many of us are selling OMC, overseas medical policy. Reason is, but no country accepts an individual to enter into the country unless they will have an insurance policy. We have grown almost 7 times of our premium, 10,000 crores over a period of 27 years. Pre-liberalization. After liberalization, we have grown almost 7 times in 14 years. We are very happy about that. But when you verify, the growth of 7 times of the premium should have also mustered the power of return from this activity. And our net worth remained almost the same size which was there in 2000. In fact, we have taken the efforts of TPA, we have taken the efforts of various outsourcing agencies, thinking that we will be able to benefit from these activities and strengthen the stability of our organization and move forward so that we are available for this market, which is immense. I can guarantee, if you sit and discuss about what we are going to do at the end of today, then our focus should be how to have a return to an insurance company too. I am comfortable as a TPA. I am comfortable as a doctor. I am comfortable as an employee because I am being paid. But ultimately, my treasury is not growing to the size that it has to be, so that people who left this organization for me 34 years ago, the people who have prepared this organization 108 years ago, should have to go beyond 1,000 years. That is possible only when it gets infused, the energy that is needed from this association, where you represent the settlement of claim and we represent the insurance company and give satisfaction to the customer without any return. probably we are not having mutual benefits. I want to be very categorical on this. We are aware of it. All those people who have got age 35, 30. I think Vishal, you have got another 33 years? Dr. Vishal? 24. He wants to be one of the IAS officers shortly. I have seen intelligence, talents are immense, not only insurance company and also people who are associated. I feel very happy to interact with TPA representative today. In fact, when I meet them, people from Ahmedabad and Bombay are sitting there. We spend hours together. Try to know what that they are doing to ensure that we understand better than what we have not understood. So that health insurance gives benefits not only to insurance company and also health insurance company is available to my 123 billion population in India. It is saddening to note that our penetration for the total insurance product from general insurance company is yet to cross 1%. The focus is going to be health. Tomorrow, privatization, companies have come, but 14 years, we are yet to cross the penetration beyond 7.1%, 0.7%. It means probably we are only talking about something called fees, or probably we are talking about something called grievances, or something called my allotment. But I will appeal to one sir. We have to sit and discuss on the modeling that is needed today. We have to indulge in our discussions and find the pathfinding need to be done so that we have the value for the purpose of this meeting. There are other. The talent and passion are having nexus. That is, the passion gets excited because all are imbibed with so much talent. Many of us are not ignorant. And I'm seeing here, I was very encouraged when I see this crowd. In fact, Bob Paul has called me, my arm. No, sir, you have to come, sir. All youngsters are there. So he himself is a youngster. He's got 10 years more to go. But we are all falling flowers. You know, flowers, morning, you look very beautiful. In the evening, what will happen? It will fall. I remember a story, probably some of you must have read also. 3 individuals wanted to do something great in the life. One person went and asked one of his teachers, I want to do something which makes these people wonder. He said, okay, go and cultivate flowers in front of your house. Have a good gardening every day. Plant them. All the people started, how nice your gardening, where did you get this plant? The other one said, I want to do something, whereas whatever I am doing stays for some time. Then you do one thing. Go and cultivate trees. Go and cultivate trees. You know, when trees are cultivated, it lives for 100 years, 150 years. But it gives so many benefits. But the one went and asked, I want to do something because I benefited from this world. I want to do something and go for this world. Go. What do you want to do? I will do something in return because I am alive happily, peacefully. I get everything I get it because somebody left it for me. Then go and cultivate, nurture people who will take and create the future. My dear friends, we are all very seniors in this industry, 34 years. We are witness to something that we come and do our work for yearning. How many of us are coming here to come and yearn and leave something? I come to office 6 hours. I work for 6 hours. I get my salary. When I calculated, in fact, one of the meetings, we calculated ourselves. 6 hours we work, holidays, everything put together. We work 24 hours, we work means we work for only 50 days. And we get our salary 365 days. Here also, people's work. Why grievance? Because we have not learned the art of negotiation. Or probably we have not prepared ourselves to coach the hospitals or the customers to understand where we need to tie up and see that both get benefits from this process. Mr. Krishna Kumar was mentioning one of the meetings. Sir, read the book Stephen R. Conway. It was written about 7 habits, now it's written about 8 habits. He says, you should know what promise you should do. That is the proactiveness. You should know what promise that is the promise. You should have the ability to give a promise, and the contents itself is another habit. When you give a promise, the promise what you give should be the one which is acceptable, amenable, reciprocal, and that yields result from the point of not only the insurer, from the point of view of the customer, and from the point of the investor too. This habit becomes effective provided the promise is kept up. That promise can be kept up only when my partners understand that you are there in the front to build image for this organization, which is totally dependent on you. While building an image, you should extend services to the customer and also ensure that our capital base is not ruined. Very unfortunate. Probably we have to do our research on that. We are yet to give any return. Some people talk, no sir, so much premium you are getting, you are investing. My dear friends, the insurance company has got an obligation to invest in such investments which gives only the return of 8%. The 8% return that we get from premium is less than the inflationary impact in the world, in the country. So the cumulative effect on impact of inflation is 30%, whereas my yield from investment is 8%. And FDI now today is spoken about all over. People who want to come and invest here, now you have seen morning we take open a paper and say, invest 20,000 rupees, you will get 36% interest. Invest 30,000 rupees, you will get return 20%. 24%. There are standardized companies. We are seeing in the world, many companies are coming out with huge bonds, giving a higher rate of interest. Which insurance company will get pumping of money from abroad to the FDI? Nobody. Because they are going to be 8%. Where will I give? Am I going to give 8% return from the premium that I earn? No. Assuming I earn 8% premium, but my TPAs are very kind enough to ensure that I pay 120% of the premium that I get. Even after return of my investment 8%, I lose 1%, which only ensures that the bank becomes a affect. My network gets affected. I am not trying to give this kind of information to alarm you. I am only trying to narrate an experience that we have. But experience has been for 34 years. And experience has been almost for 14 years. Because you came, by 2003 they came, no? 2002. My dear friends, most of you are very anxious. Today what we need to do is we have to review our performances. The review of performance is not the review of the TPA. Review of an individual. Review of an individual. That's what I said. There is a need for every individual to know that you have 4 duties to perform. The very basic duty is to live. Because that is why God has created us. Not only as a human being, you have to live means you have to let the company also be available because it gives you what it is. How will you do that? You have to learn to make yourself alive and keep the company free. Therefore, others too, you have to learn because unless you learn what I need to do to support this organization which wants to depend on us for returns that they will gain, you have to start doing something which every one of us has to do. Love your job. If you do so, you develop that passion. If you do so, your passion generates your talents available to somebody. Because there is a need from the point of view of our organization, from the point of view of your organization, from the point of view of our country. Because whatever we do, an activity should get an yield.